up, guys? This is Nova Studios. I'm Slade, and today we're not playing Roblox. Thought I'd do something new. These are full websites, like live cams. You can see. So see them at the top. The first one is drivemeinsane.com, and it's this, and pretty cool. You can turn off and on light lamp right there, deco lamp right there, bronze lamp right there, disco ball right there, plasma ball is right there. So kind of cool. You can also say hi, like hello. Let's do like sparkles and bounce. No, multi-bounce. Okay, that won't work. Okay, show this one. Oh, no. 18 holes. Okay, let's send this. And you'll see it pop up on there. What? Well. Okay, hold on. This is like a long time ago though. Okay. Send. What? Oh, I think that's someone else's message. Oh, cool. That's cool. Okay. Now also like a different cam, but that's not going on right now. But this is. So, time to go on the bubble cam. So, yeah, and you can hit a bubbles button. Press the bubbles button, turn on a 30-second bubble blast of bubbles. It may take a few seconds, but yeah. Okay, showing bubbles. Yay! Cool. I really don't know how they do it with just a simple button from the internet. This is in Florida. I think. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and there's watch grass grow, which is really weird. So you can see some cars driving past. So there's some pretty cool music. Show you one. Hold on. And then there is you can watch a light bulb. I saw a video on this one, but it said it's been running for like 116 years, but that was like a year ago, so it's 117 years now. And you can see like that's 2015. It was like in a barn, and then it moved. Then it was like escorted by police to what do they call them? Fire stations, I think it is. So you can update the picture. Very weird, to be honest. Okay. Yeah, I think, yeah, the Shelby is what the light bulb is called. So, okay, I'm gonna go, like, where you can find all these. There's drivemeinsane.com. Do bubble cam, the bubble cam, and watching grass go, and call this the cam, bulb cam, bulb cam. So I hope you liked this video. Subscribe, leave a like, push the notification bell. We do have an Instagram account, Nowhere Studios. I hope you liked the video, and we'll see you next one. Bye guys, peace out.